2017 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, OnStar, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, security system, power brakes, side airbag, tachometer, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, rear view camera, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, cup holders. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.